Can you not bring me food anymore?
No, you can't do that to me.
No, the reason is I don't want you to drive outside and waste
No.
gas time.
Do you know how close I live?
Yeah, but
Okay, and
but
it's already started.
I
It's just didn't
understand.
cook
It's
long
just that
enough.
you're busy and
I'm not. I'm
and
retired. Next excuse.
I know, but I just don't want to bother you.
It's not a bother.
Are you sure?
Is it a bother?
Like you have to get out of your way, save some for me, and prep for me.
No.
It's a lot of work. Because here's the thing, I cook at home,
I know you do.
and I know how much preparation it takes just to make a meal.
Yeah, but
On top of that, you got to prep for another person. That's what I'm trying to think. I don't want to take too much of your time.
okay. So you won't.
No, but you know what I'm saying?
I know what you're saying. I'm still going to bring you the brisket. But I'm also making some chili verde.
I'm telling you.
Okay, do you know what chili, you like chili verde?
I don't even know what the fuck that is.
It's Mexican.
Okay.
It is, I make it with either, actually. My chicken chili verde won a blue
Now, do
ribbon.
you wear gloves when you make this?
No.
The reason why I'm asking is that's how you protect your nails from getting damaged, girl.
Okay, I need to get
See,
some
it's
of
not,
these.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because the thing is, when you do a lot of things and you're not protected, the liquid can get in and
Yeah.
it lifts your nails.
Yeah.
And I'm just,
Yeah.
just gotta protect
I
your
blame it
nails.
on housework.
You do a lot of cleaning?
No, but when I do, my nails start to have issues.
That's why you need to wear gloves. You
I
have gloves? You want me to get you a box of gloves?
no, I can get gloves.
Because
I know.
a brother can hook you up like right now.
I'm sure you can.
All right.